Good evening, 7:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Wednesday, November 9th, 2022. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan as crypto has imploded. The total crypto market cap is down to $767 billion. It was down more than $100 billion in the last 24-hour trading cycle. The daily flip has just happened. We've had a 1.79% recovery in the total crypto market cap. In Bitcoin, we're up 208 points, or 1.53%, or 243 points, I should say, to 16,124. XRP's up 3.70% to a measly 34.44. But there's a huge storyline going on here that is being covered, but I think it needs a little more attention. BINAnCE has in fact pulled out from its letter of intent to buy the FTX exchange. So crypto stocks continue to drop as BINAnCE walks away from FTX deal. Concerns around FTX health, along with the broader crypto ecosystem, spilled into the stock market Wednesday. So the reason they pulled out, for the most part, is because they're going to be investigated, FTX. Cryptocurrency exposed equities continued their dip Wednesday amid concerns around FTX's financial health as BINAnCE confirmed Wednesday afternoon that the exchange scrapped its letter of intent to buy rival exchange FTX. Shares of tech firm MicroStrategies, which holds about 130,000 Bitcoin, fell 20% Wednesday. Crypto exchange Coin dropped 9.5%. Crypto-focused bank Silvergate declined 12%, while financial services firm Galaxy Digital fell 16% in Toronto Stock Exchange. The stocks of Bitcoin miners such as Riot Blockchain and Marathon Digital also took a big hit. Bitcoin fell about 15% to below 16,000, while Ethereum dropped 15%, trading near 1,100. Aside from BINAnCE FTX failed deal, the U.S. midterm election has been a key focus today, though crypto has spilled over into the broader market Wednesday. The tech-focused NASDAQ Composite Index, IXIC, fell about 2.5%. What is complicating today's mood on Wall Street is that the liquidity crisis for FTX is spilling over into other cryptos. Edward Moya Owanda's senior markets analyst said in a note Wednesday afternoon, FTX was viewed as one of the so-called safe crypto players, and their demise is raising concerns that other key crypto companies could be vulnerable here. Well, anybody who backs their company with USDT and puts all their backing in Tether is one that could be on a very slippery slope. Most of them might be. So, big stories here. BINAnCE backs out of FTX rescue. Bankman Fried's FTX had a death spiral before BINAnCE deal. BINAnCE walks away from deal to rescue FTX. What the hell just happened to crypto? This is what I was talking about. FTX faces U.S. Justice Department probe, and this is important. So, the U.S. Department of Justice is looking into crypto exchange FTX after its apparent collapse, the Wall Street Journal reported Wednesday. So, they were already facing probes by the state and federal regulators, but these investigations have taken on a new interest following revelations that the company had a liquidity issue. Following crypto exchange, BINAnCE briefly agreed to acquire the company, blah, 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 blah. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and Commodity Futures Trading Commission are also investigating whether FTX had correctly handled its clients' funds. Bloomberg reported earlier Wednesday, yada, yada, yada. BINAnCE announced Tuesday it would acquire FTX, but solely after pulled out of the deal. Slippery slope, yada, yada, yada. Now let's get into the chart. XRP is currently moving up here just a little bit, and we're going to find out a lot because we need to see the volume profile here on a push up. Any kind of push up. It doesn't even have to give us a lot of semblance. We just need some kind of push up to see what kind of profile we're dealing with. So the volume. Oof. It's going to have to get a little bit better than that. But hey, the 30-minute volume is building up there. We'd like to see a little stronger volume if you're looking for a pull up. This looks pretty piss poor here right now. It's not as bad as yesterday, though. I'll give it that. It's a little bit better than yesterday. Let's look at one of the other charts real quick. One of the other ones that'll make it a little bit easier for everybody to see. Let's get the perpetual futures chart. Alright. We did hold that small little area. Man, that's like I keep telling everybody, we're at like this last hold point before a big fucking drop here. Oh, man. We're so close, ladies and gentlemen. So close. You know how many times I heard hit the bottom with Bitcoin? Bitcoin's hit a bottom. Bitcoin's hit a bottom. Bitcoin's hit a bottom. Bitcoin's hit a bottom. Yeah, I'm sure it did. But Bitcoin's hit a fresh 2022 low today and did a daily close under 16K. That speaks volumes. So right now, XRP in the 30-minute time, I gotta go. My son, I need to go be a parent here. I just got done doing an hour and 15-minute live, so I figured I would give just a little update here. We're looking to see if we can break above 35.5 cents here. And if we can make a push even higher up here, but we're looking at the volume profile. We're going to have to look at another couple candles. And if we can break above this area, maybe we could push back. We had a violent drop. Maybe we could make a little return rally. But this doesn't look great still. The volume just looks a little bit better than it did yesterday. But the sell volume was much greater than the buy volume. So this doesn't look done by a long shot here, folks. We could have a small rally here, but let's see how this plays out. We're looking to see if we can break back down to about 2874 would be the double bottom we're looking for. Let's see how many layers we have to break up here. If this is the one layer or if we have to come back up here a little bit higher. XRP Future Millionaire, hit that motherfucking like button.